In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom animations in Roblox Studio R15. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to load custom animations into an R15 rig. Before I start, I want to make it very clear that I'm going to teach you how to use animations available on the toolbox. I'm not going to go over the whole process of creating a custom animation from scratch because that takes a while, and for a video of this length, it's impossible for me to show you the full process. But it is still going to give you the general idea on how to apply an animation that you acquired from the toolbox or that you've made yourself to a rig. So to start, go over to the toolbox and look for a specific R15 animation. So for example, R15 walk. Then you can look under models, and once you find a specific animation that you would like to use, you will be able to load it in. So you can browse through all of them. I'm going to load this one in as an example. If you see this message, make sure that you migrate all of them. Now to preview the animation, open the animation editor. So click on animation editor at the top and you should see it here. Now you can preview all of those animations. Now before proceeding, I recommend saving the experience to Roblox. So I title it whatever you'd like. I'm just going to give it some random numbers. And once it is saved, you will be able to continue editing your animation. So it is going to load in like this. Once again, open the animation editor and you should be able to click the rig. In here, you will see these three dots and you can load a specific animation if there are multiple. So this is the walking animation and then the run animation. For this video, I'm going to use the walking animation as an example. Now, before you actually apply this animation, the last thing to check is to go over to avatar settings. So click on this button here. And then make sure that the body type is set to R15 only or R15 and R16. It doesn't really matter, but it needs to include R15. I also recommend choosing the consistent gameplay option. Once all of this is put into place, now what you can do is go ahead and join the game. You should see your avatar load in. Now, under the workspace, expand it, you will find your name, expand it once more, and then you will see animate. Right-click this and copy the animate script. Exit out of the game and find starter player. Expand it and then under starter character scripts, right-click and then paste into here. Now to actually apply this animation into the standard animations that we are using on our character, go into the animation editor once more, click on the three dots and publish either the walking or running animation or any other one that you want to use. So I'm going to publish it under a random name here and you will be given the asset ID like this. So open it on a web browser and copy this asset ID. Now expand the animate script that we copied, find the specific animation that you want to change. So for this video, I'm going to change the walk animation, but you can change any other one. And once you click on the animation, under animation ID, paste the ID that you copied or that you acquired after you published this animation here. To finish it off, go over to animate, expand it, and then paste it under the same animation that you changed. So in my case, it is going to be walk, but for you, it could be idle, run, swim, and so on. Once everything is put into place, you can go ahead, choose the option to test it out, and you should see the new animation take place. Now, before I end this video, I want to highlight that when I checked the channel metrics, I saw that 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the highest quality videos and solutions to your problems. So I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.